guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your homes. So today I'm here and I'm going to talk about products from Sanfi's back and the bum range. So for people who don't know Sanfi is a brand which basically deals with female hygiene and period care. So if you go to the website, you will find a lot of products related to these two. The things I love about Sanfi is, first, all of their products are gynecologist approved, which is so amazing. Second, their motto is to make the world a better place for women, which is so thoughtful, and kudos for that, Sanfi. Much like our face, our back and bum also needs that extra little love and extra little care. So I'm so happy that Sanfi has come up with such products. So I'm going to share you all the products from their back and bum range, and I'm also going to show you swatches of each product, guys, so stay tuned for that. The very first product is their back and the bum anti-cellulite cream. Now this particular product is basically cream and it's enriched with coconut and peach extracts. This basically heals the rashes on the bum and it will also help for cellulite reduction, which is great. Now this cream smells so good, guys. It has a beautiful pleasant fragrance, and this is how the cream looks like. It's very lightweight, has a little bit of peach tint to it, and it gets blended beautifully. So that's the cream. Also, I love the tagline of this product. It says bright and bootylicious, which is so amazing. Next up is their acne clearing lotion. Now this one is enriched with shea butter and peach, which is so nice. Now this is basically a 3-in-1 solution to your crusty skin and bumps. It basically heals acne also. Now we all get a lot of acne on our back and bum, so this lotion will ensure to clear all that off. Now let's check the consistency of this one. So this is how the lotion looks like. It's pretty thick, but it blends beautifully. As you can see, that's completely melted down, and it is giving me a nice cooling effect, which I love again. And just like the cream, this one smells so heavenly, guys. I can't even tell you. That's the acne clearing lotion. Next up is their lightening mask. So this is how the lightening mask looks like. This is basically in a glass jar, as you guys can see. So this one is enriched with aloe vera and peach, and this will basically help to cool down the rashes and heal it very well. It also claims to revitalize the bum skin, which is so amazing. So let's take a look how it looks from inside. This is how the mask looks from inside. The consistency is very thick and is exactly like a face mask. And this one also has a very beautiful fragrance to it. I love it so much. Next up is a serum. It's basically their lightening serum, and this one is enriched with pure vitamin C and peach again. Now if you see the serum, it has a nice pump kind of application, which is so easy to apply. So let's check out the consistency of this serum. So this is how the serum looks like. As you can see, it's literally flowing down, and the consistency is a little watery. It feels extremely nourishing, and since it has vitamin C, it will help reduce the spots, and it's amazing. The last product in this range is their toning oil, and as the name suggests, it will help tone the back and bum and make it firmer. It will also plump the back and bum, which is so amazing, and it will also help fade the stretch marks, which is nice. Now this one again is enriched with vitamin C and peach extracts. Now if you can see, the consistency is exactly oil like, and I've used it once, so it's extremely lightweight. So this is how the oil looks like. It's very lightweight, guys, and it has a bit of strong fragrance to it, but the fragrance is pleasant, and if you can see, it gets completely absorbed into the skin within just few seconds of massaging. This toning oil gets completely absorbed into the skin, as you guys can see. And yeah, so those were all the amazing products from Sanfi's back and the bum range. If you guys wish to go ahead and buy these products, I'm going to leave a link in my description box. Definitely check that out. They have amazing discounts going on their website, so do check that out. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you love this video and a little short review. And if you love this video, if you love this review, please like the video. Please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next week. Till then, take care. Bye.